first of all, congrats. Currently second standing sa Group B. Ano na po yung naging instructions to the boys ng fourth quarter? Kasi yung third mo ang pinipesser kahit ng Letran.
Well, we just told them not to panic. You know, it's a long game. We've been in this situation before. You know, we've learned adversity is good for us, right? So I'm happy with the way they responded. Happy with the way they defended in the fourth quarter. It wasn't an easy game, but you know, we prepared hard for this game throughout the week.
Coach, nung Diwag pero bench step up, ano yung naging preparations nyo, lalo na kompleto yung Letran niyo?
Well, yeah, I know. I was worried. I didn't know if we could beat Letran again this time. Kompleto sila, but I give credit to sila Jake Caspay, Sean Umani. Really, they anchored us defensively. They were solid. And then guys like Moen Morales had his breakout game. He was really hot in the first half. That gave us some confidence. We shot so well in the first half. We had 10 threes, but in the end, I think it was our defense that ended up winning the game for us.
Coach, were you concerned sa rebounding department since Letran back in their games in yung core and strength?
Yeah, that's a great point. Definitely, you know, in the first half they out-rebounded us. I think they had 14 or 11 second chance points. They had 8 offensive rebounds. They had 15 more attempts as they were bullying us inside. Just challenge the guys to fight back, respond, battle them, because one of our concerns was rebounding, and we ended up winning the rebounding battle. But it was big that we were able to find ways, and it was a team effort sa rebounding.
Coach,